we were taught that A for apple or B for bat, but actually, who taught this at the initial stages? That what is an apple and what is a bat, or what is a cat, or what is a color? And why all these terms, or why all these figures actually just randomly came into our mind, or just randomly they came into someone's mind, and they just like floated as an idea into our mind that we should question that why these terms were actually meant to be called like that. Like, for example, if we say that, so I think there are certain things that were actually conveyed to us in the form of, I believe, spiritual format. Spiritual format means that sometimes there are certain things that are in front of us, like when we take admission in our Montessori or nursery or playgroup class, then I think we are taught that A for apple, and we are taught phonics, or we are taught sounds, but and also abbreviations, or you may say that something stands for something. But I believe that there are certain things that are not actually explained. For example, we actually we are just expecting our children to learn from the very basic start that okay, start to pronounce A for apple, B for bat, C for cat, and D for dog. But who actually defined these names, that a dog should be called a dog, a cat should be called a cat? Like, these are wonderful names, right? So I believe that these are the kind of signs, these are the kind of symbols, these are the kind of notations that should actually be very carefully noted in our lives, that sometimes there is something right in front of us, but why do we not consider it to be as a great sign from some great spiritual source?